Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure having your company, and it's always a pleasure making a video for you. I'm going to plan with me today for the 11th of February to the 17th. I'm in my mini happy planner, which I'm finding absolute planner piece. I haven't finished organising it, getting it together as yet, but it's getting there bit by bit. I found these, I had a paper pad that I got these from. These are beautiful. It says I love us, and this one is you are just my cup of tea. So I thought I'd keep these. I might make some dashboards with them, I'm not sure. And this was a birthday card that was sent to me, and I just cut the front out and kept it. It says, you can't be older and wiser without first being young and crazy. And I think she's so sweet. Look at her. So that's that. I'm actually getting a cold now, unfortunately. The weather, hot and cold, hot and cold. And this is one of my paper clips that I made from the LOL girls, the LOL girls. So I'll just keep her here. Right, so we're going into, that was last week's, yeah, that was last week's, the 4th until the 10th. So I'll get started. Yeah, so this is a sticker kit from, it's surprise.com, and I really do like this stickers. They're personalized as well, so that's supposed to be me here. So I'm going to try my best and work with these and see how they go. I forgot to get some washi out. I might want some washi. Do I want some washi? I'm not sure. I might use some of this pinky, lilac-y glitter washi, just because I've used it in my month overview. So I really liked that in there. So I might just use it, or I might grab the other colour, which is a little bit more blush, to go with these colours. Actually, I think I'll do that. I'll grab that. As it's Valentine's week, why not throw in a bit of glitter? I'm not a red girl, I'm not a red person. So I will not be incorporating any red in my planner. I try to experiment with red sometimes, but not all the time. I don't, that wouldn't be my go-to colour. I do like a lot of pastel colours, pinks. Okay, so we need to start now. So I fancy some of this washi here. Might put that on. Let's just, I think I'll do the top, the blush here. don't know if I like this one. It says a day spent with friends is a good day, but I don't think it matches up. This would be nice here. Let's do this. I think choose happy. We'll have a look at. See if there's anything. I want to do some more here. Okay, that's it. I think I'm done. I don't need anything more. I think this is really nice. This has worked out really nice. I've incorporated the hot pink I Love the Weekend banner in order to bring out the colours a bit more, and I really like this. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload my videos. Thank you so much for watching.